In this video, I am going to share a best easy anti-aging coffee mask, stronger than Botox, that helps in skin whitening and softening. Caffeine is very efficient in reducing the appearance of the fine lines that form on the face. Before we go ahead with this simple mask, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of coffee. Caffeine brightens the skin, reduces acne, and tightens it. Applying a coffee face mask reduces wrinkles for naturally glowing skin. Coffee contains antioxidants such as phenol that destroy radicals which result in skin damage. 1 tablespoon organic honey. Honey opens up the pores for easy unclogging. It's antibacterial, thus prevents and treats acne. It also moisturizes and nourishes the skin. 2 tablespoon yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid that tightens pores and dissolves dead skin. Yogurt also moisturizes the face and fights acne. How to prepare: put a tablespoon of coffee in a bowl. Add honey and mix them thoroughly. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and continue mixing until it's a smooth paste. Apply the smooth paste to a clean face, gently spreading it. Ensure the paste does not get into the eyes, nose or mouth. Leave the face mask for 20 minutes. Rinse off using normal water while gently massaging for 2 minutes so as to get rid of dead cells and remove dirt. You will get the great result from the first week of use. This tightens the skin and fight wrinkles. It gives you a radiant glow that can slow down skin aging. Also, it enhances the fast regeneration of skin cells. Try this remedy and send your feedback in the comments below. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.